So we are here at 8th Global Film Tourism Conclave, and with me Mr. CV Rao, who is Chief Technology Officer of Annapurna Studios. So first of all, how do you feel coming here? And as this is 8th Global Film Tourism, so you were the panelist, and you shared many insights about the AI. I heard in the session. So what would you like to say about that?
Yeah, basically this is the first visit for me. I was not there last seven summits. I'm glad that they have invited me for this panel, and I was very happy to share the information how the AI is going to be helpful for the filmmaking. And people think that it will take over. No technology is going to take over. Any technology will help the current situation. If you see, like we have seen 2D animation coming into the film industry, 3D animation, and 3D stereoscopic films, but nothing has been taken over. But there are like different form of filmmaking. What I believe it. What I believe strongly is the content. The content, the volume of the content will be increased tremendously because the traction, the new talent coming to the film industry is increasing day to day. Now, if you see the graduate, engineering graduate, they want to come to film industry. You take any graduate, engineering, arts, or anything. Most of the people nowadays, the students, they want to come to the film industry. Is the reason because the film industry is more dynamic. It is not a static. If it is a software job, they have to go there and sit there for 8 hours on one desk. Okay, stick to that. They may take break for one lunch or something like that. But in the film industry, it's not like that. It will not make you to sit at one place.
Right, 18 hours shift.
It will make you to run around.
Right.
That's what the people are liking it. So one, the new talent coming to the film industry, it will really help. Reason because we need filmmakers with more knowledge. If you have more knowledge, you will use the technology in a better way. Two, you will produce the very good content, and the value of the content from Indian film industry will grow rapidly to meet international standards. That's what I say.
What do you think about cinema driving tourism? There have been many famous locations. Recently, they have turned famous after many successful films, and we all Indians and even the Global Film Tourism Conclave is promoting that. So, what do you think about that?
The film tourism, I believe, what I came to know today, it will play a major role.
Right.
Basically. So without films, I think there is no tourism.
Oh, okay.
See, I don't go to any location. I don't travel to any state.
So you need film relevance, you're saying.
I need relevance.
Alright. Like in Kashmir, you
Say,
need.
for example, see, many states, they do their corporate videos. I don't think so. I'll go by looking at corporate videos. But when I watch film, if I see some location in that film, I will try to find where is this location. Let me go there. Even the family will ask for it. Kids will ask for it. That means the film is helping tourism in a big way.
Right.
So even the government of any state needs to help film to make it better and to grow bigger.
Right, and we Indians love Bollywood, definitely.
Exactly.
Even the foreigners, the travelers, they love Bollywood.
Yes. So definitely the combination of film and tourism, it helps tourism and it also helps film.
Yeah.
So this conclave, I think will play a major role to make the industry even better.
As you are Chief Technology Officer of Annapuna Studios, do you have some message here at the conclave?
Yeah, any studio, particularly in the service industry, the studios, they have to be up to dated with the technology. Otherwise, the filmmakers will not come to you. So you need to inform the filmmakers that we are here. We are here with the latest technology, and then only see when you don't come to this kind of events or like conclaves, you will not have a chance to interact with them. See, today, after my panel session, many people came to me. That means I am introduced and I have introduced my company to those people. Today, I may not expect business from them, but tomorrow, they will come to us. Now they came to know that, okay, Annapurna Studios is in Hyderabad. They are they have state of art technology, and they have passion to bring the latest technology, and they want to be in the forefront of the film industry in bringing latest technologies.
All the best to you, sir. Thank you so much.